Okay, I hope you memorized some of those body parts. As you can see, some of them sound like English. But let's get into food. That's really important because you need to eat, right? Eten means food. Eten means either to eat or food. So it's a verb or a noun. So let's just go over these, okay? Bloemkool means, bloem is a flower, and kool is like kill, like it's like a cabbage. So it literally means flower cabbage, which makes a lot of sense because that's what it looks like, right? So bloemkool is cauliflower. Sinaasappel, you know the word appel means apple. So sinaas, you know, it's like citrus. So it's kind of like a citrus apple, so it means an orange. And don't confuse that with the Dutch color orange, because that's oranje. We already went over that. They have two different words. Oranje, which means the color orange, and sinaasappel, which means the fruit orange. Rijst, rice. Appel, apple. Banaan, banana. Vis, fish. Soep, soup. Koffie, coffee. Wijn, wine. Hamburger, hamburger. Olijven, olives. So these sound a lot like English, right? A lot of these. Ham is ham. Gehakt, gehakt is minced meat. The stuff you buy at the supermarket. Kip, chicken. Vlees is meat. Think of the word flesh. So there's no difference between the word flesh and meat in Dutch. So they say flesh, they eat flesh, right? And it sounds maybe a little gross in English, but really that's what it is, right? Rundvlees is beef. Varkensvlees, varken is a pig, right? So it's pig flesh. Varkensvlees means pork. Gehakt bal is meatball. Gehakt is minced meat, so it's a minced meat ball, right? Gehakt bal. Worst, and don't say worst, worst, sausage. Beefstuk is steak, but if you say steak, a lot of Dutch understand it too. I think it's become more common. Garnaal is shrimp, and zalm is salmon. Broccoli, it's like English, broccoli. Bonen is beans. Fruit, so don't say fruit. If you say fruit, say fruit. The ui is ui. Is fruit, is fruit. Groente, groente is the greens. Groen is green, right? So groente is the greens and it means vegetables. Erte means peas. Mais, don't mistake this that this means mice, because that's really deceiving. It's corn, okay? So when they say ik eet mais, they're not eating mice, okay? That would be muizen, but they're eating corn. Boerenkool is kale. Wortels is carrots. Sla is lettuce. Salade is salad. Tomaat, tomato. Bosbes means a forest berry. Bos is forest. So now you learned another new word. Forest is bos. So bosbes is a forest berry, which means blueberry. So they don't call it a blueberry, they call it a forest berry. Braam is a blackberry. Framboos is raspberry. And ananas is a pineapple. Watermelon is watermeloen, very similar. And then some general words. So snack is the same as in English. Ontbijt means breakfast. Lunch, that's how they say it. It's the same spelling, but they say lunch. Lunch means lunch. Spaghetti, you could say, or they say spaghetti. Yeah, sometimes with the ch. Frietjes, frietjes, French fries. Those are really good in the Netherlands. Avondeten means evening food, right? So it means dinner. Noten, nuts. Chips are chips. They say chips as in as if there were an S there. Snoep is candy or sweets. Chocola means chocolate. Brood is bread. Kaas is cheese. Pinda is peanut. Pindakaas is peanut cheese, right? So they don't say peanut butter, they say peanut cheese, because the Dutch love their cheese. Okay, and I know it doesn't look like cheese, it looks more like butter, but the Dutch love their cheese. So pindakaas is peanut cheese, which means peanut butter. Melk is milk. Scherp is sharp, like a knife, but it can also mean spicy. So scherp gekruid is how they sometimes say it, so that means it's spicy.